He's fast.
JJ here in the other tree now.
Shh, be real quiet. Shh, don't make a move. We're gonna watch. Oh, he left his peanut. Something scared him. Literally left his peanut. That's him chirping. What is he chirping
It's
about?
a squirrel fight.
Where?
A squirrel fight on the old tree.
He's watching you now. You scared him. He don't care anymore. He's eating again. Do you see him?
Mm-hmm.
Can you see my screen?
Oh.
What's he doing?
When they stand, but they're
What's he doing? He's looking at me. I'm looking at you.